Product of array except self. Given an integer array is called nums, return an array answer such that answer ith is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except numbers of ith. So when we look at the XML here, in this one index 0 hits 24. That means it is the product of all the elements in the array except that value at the index. Here at the index 1 we got 12. That means it multiplies every element in the array except 2. Okay, so how can we get this? If we want to get index 1 value, we need to multiply every elements in front of that index and then every elements after that index. I would say this one is prefix and this one is postfix. I will multiply prefix and postfix, so we will get the result we want. Okay, so how can we get the prefix? This one has no prefix value, right? So this one is 1. Okay, we will look for the prefix first. What about the 2 prefix? The prefix of the index 1 is just 1, right? 1. And then what about the prefix of the index 2? Index 0 into index 1, right? So 1 into 2 equal 2. Okay, what about the prefix value of index 3? We need to multiply index 0, index 1, and then index 3. No, 0, 1, 2, right? 0 is 1, the value at the index 1 is 2, and the index 2 is 3, so we will get 6. Those are the prefix value, and then we get the postfix value. Okay, we will go back, we will go from right to left, right? Okay, 4 has no postfix value, right? So 4 is just 1 because we need to multiply. So if we put the 0, we will get 0 every time, right? So there is no postfix, so just 1. Okay, what about the postfix of index 2, 3, right? So here postfix it is 4. Okay, here is 4. And then what about the postfix of index 1? 12, right? 12. Okay, and then what about the postfix of index 0? 1. So 2 multiplying into 3 multiplying 4, we got 24. So if we multiply postfix and prefix, we will get the result we want. Here 12 and then 8 and 1. Okay, 6, right? Okay, so this is the result we want, right? So okay, we will look for the prefix and then postfix, and then we are multiplying it to get the result we want. Okay, let's go that idea. Okay, we need to return the array of integers. So I'm gonna create a result integer array with the same length with the input value, and then I will look for the prefix first and then postfix, and then we will multiply. We can use extra arrays to save the prefix and postfix because I don't want to use the space. I don't want to use the other extra arrays because it is saying order of 1 extra space complexity. The output array does not count as extra space for space complexity analysis. Okay, so I don't want to use extra space, so I will store every values in the result array. Okay, let's start with the prefix. Prefix should start from 1, right? And then from 0 to the end of the array, and I plus plus, and then I will add to our result prefix and then prefix is 1, and then we will multiply every values, right? So multiplying equal nums 8, right? And then we will get every prefix value in an array, and then we will go with the postfix again. This time we will go back, we will go from right to left, so we will start from nums dot length minus 1. That means we will start from the right side till greater than equal 0, and then I minus minus, and then reset I is we already have prefix value in that array, right? So we need to multiply with our postfix value, and then we will multiply this one again, so we will get the result we want. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so cool. So I'm gonna submit this one to see the result. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.